Budapest, the vibrant capital of Hungary, is a city teeming with history, culture, and architectural splendor. From thermal baths to majestic castles, here are the top 10 must-do activities in Budapest. 1. Buda Castle. Perched on the castle hill, Buda Castle is an iconic symbol of Hungary's history and grandeur. The castle complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, dates back to the 13th century and offers a fascinating glimpse into the country's royal past. Visitors can explore the Budapest History Museum, the Hungarian National Gallery, and the National Széchenyi Library housed within the castle. The cobblestone streets, medieval courtyards, and panoramic views of the Danube River and Pest side of the city make a visit to Buda Castle an unforgettable experience. Be sure to visit at dusk to witness the castle illuminated against the night sky. 2. Széchenyi Thermal Bath. No visit to Budapest is complete without indulging in the city's famous thermal baths, and Széchenyi Thermal Bath is the most renowned of them all. Located in City Park, Szechenyi is one of the largest thermal bath complexes in Europe, featuring 18 pools, including 3 outdoor and 15 indoor pools. The bath's neo-Baroque architecture, combined with the therapeutic benefits of the mineral-rich waters, creates a rejuvenating experience. Whether you're soaking in the warm outdoor pools or enjoying a game of chess with locals, Széchenyi Thermal Bath offers a perfect blend of relaxation and cultural immersion. 3. Parliament Building. The Hungarian Parliament Building is a masterpiece of neo-Gothic architecture and one of the most recognizable landmarks in Budapest. Situated on the banks of the Danube River, this colossal structure boasts 691 rooms, 10 courtyards, and a stunning central dome. Guided tours are available, allowing visitors to marvel at the opulent interiors, including the grand staircase, the dome hall, and the Hungarian crown jewels. The exterior of the building, with its intricate spires and statues, is equally impressive and provides a picturesque backdrop for photos. Don't miss the evening light show that illuminates the Parliament building, creating a magical ambiance. 4. St. Stephen's Basilica. St. Stephen's Basilica, named after the first king of Hungary, is a magnificent example of neoclassical architecture and a significant religious site in Budapest. The basilica's grandiose exterior, with its towering dome and ornate facade, is matched by the splendor of its interior. Visitors can admire the stunning mosaics, statues, and the revered Holy Right Hand of St. Stephen, a sacred relic. For a breathtaking view of the city, climb the 364 steps to the basilica's dome, where you can enjoy panoramic vistas of Budapest's skyline. The basilica also hosts classical music concerts, adding a cultural dimension to your visit. 5. Heroes Square. Heroes Square is a monumental plaza that celebrates Hungary's rich history and honors its national heroes. Dominated by the Millennium Monument, which features statues of the 7 chieftains of the Magyars and other important Hungarian leaders, the square is a symbol of national pride. The Museum of Fine Arts and the Palace of Art flank the square, offering a cultural feast for art enthusiasts. Heroes Square is not only a historical site, but also a lively gathering place for locals and tourists alike, especially during national celebrations and events. It's a great spot to learn about Hungary's past while enjoying the vibrant atmosphere. 6. Danube River Cruise. A Danube River cruise provides a unique perspective of Budapest, showcasing the city's architectural wonders and scenic beauty from the water. Various cruise options are available, from daytime sightseeing tours to romantic evening cruises with dinner and live music. As you glide along the river, you'll pass iconic landmarks such as the Parliament Building, Buda Castle, and the Chain Bridge, all beautifully illuminated after dark. The cruise also offers spectacular views of the hills of Buda and the flat expanse of Pest, highlighting the contrasting landscapes of the city. A Danube River cruise is a must-do experience, offering both relaxation and sightseeing. 7. Fisherman's Bastion. Fisherman's Bastion, with its fairy tale-like turrets and terraces, is one of Budapest's most picturesque attractions. Located in the Buda Castle district, this neo-Gothic and neo-Romanesque structure was built in the late 19th century to commemorate the fishermen who defended the city in the Middle Ages. The Bastion's terraces offer some of the best panoramic views of Budapest, including the Parliament Building, the Danube River, and the Pest side of the city. Visitors can explore the 7 towers, which represent the 7 Magyar tribes that founded Hungary, and enjoy a meal or coffee at the on-site cafe while taking in the stunning vistas. 8. Chain Bridge. The Chain Bridge, completed in 1849, was the first permanent bridge to connect Buda and Pest, symbolizing the unification of the 2 sides of the city. Designed by English engineer William Tierney Clark and constructed by Scottish engineer Adam Clark, the bridge is an architectural marvel and an enduring symbol of Budapest. The stone lions guarding each end of the bridge and the intricate iron chains make it a visual delight. A walk across the chain bridge offers fantastic views of the Danube River and the city's landmarks. At night, the bridge is beautifully illuminated, making it a romantic spot for an evening stroll. 9. Margaret Island. Margaret Island is a tranquil oasis in the heart of Budapest, offering a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. This 2.5-kilometer-long island in the middle of the Danube River is a recreational paradise, featuring beautifully landscaped gardens, historical ruins, and various attractions. Visitors can rent bicycles or pedal cars to explore the island, relax in the Japanese garden, or take a dip in the Palatinus water park. The island also hosts a musical fountain, which performs choreographed water shows to music, and an open-air theater that stages cultural events and concerts. Margaret Island is an ideal destination for nature lovers and families. 10. Vajdahunyad Castle. Vajdahunyad Castle, located in City Park, is a unique architectural gem that showcases various styles, including Romanesque, Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque. Originally built in 1896 for the Millennial Exhibition, the castle was designed to celebrate 1,000 years of Hungarian history. Today, it houses the Museum of Hungarian Agriculture, the largest agricultural museum in Europe. The castle's picturesque setting, surrounded by a lake and lush greenery, makes it a popular spot for picnics and leisurely walks. In winter, the lake transforms into an ice skating rink, adding a magical touch to the castle's charm. Vajdahunyad Castle is a must-visit for history buffs and architecture enthusiasts alike. Whether you're exploring the historic landmarks, enjoying the vibrant nightlife, or relaxing in the thermal baths, Budapest promises an unforgettable journey through one of Europe's most enchanting capitals. So that's the top 10 best things to do in Budapest, Hungary. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to get updates about the best travel destinations around the world. See you next time.